I am watching Noble Job Dr. A. Kinoskar is my channel. In this channel, today I am presenting one of my book which have been written for little kids. 4 books: Children's Easy Lesson, English is there, Children's Easy Lesson, English, Children's Easy Lesson, English, Children's Easy Lesson, Children's Easy Lesson, Mathematics, Children's Easy Lesson, Miscellaneous Knowledge, and Children's Easy Lesson, General Awareness. These four books have been given name Children's Easy Lesson, which have been written with very easy language, interesting rhymes and many pictures to understand the topics. Today I am reading this book to show how to teach and how to read this book. This is Children's Easy Lesson, General Awareness for Nursery and LKG. This is part 3. Now, the interior of the book is very nice. Children's Easy Lesson. This is author and myself, Dr. Asim Kinoskar. I am telling about something of the book. Children are my best friends. I like children the most. I want to present some important writings for their valuable life from the defined points of view, like their sensory development, their motor development, and mental function stage by stage. I wrote this book for them. The curriculum of this book is built upon the three goals which cater to all the domains of development of a child. These are: children maintain good health and well-being. Number 2, children become effective communicators. Number 3, children are involved learners and connect with their immediate environment. This book is rhyming in most of the topics and huddled with many pictures for their easy realization. This book is very beneficial for the foundation of their basic education in their early lives. I hope this book will be used by every parent for their pretty kids. The schools may also include this book for the students of nursery and LKG. Now, dedication of this book. Children are holy like holy flowers. This book is wholly dedicated to all lovely children. Now, content or syllabus of this book. The complete nursery and LKG syllabus based on all educational boards. General awareness. This book is general awareness. This book contain include know about yourself, like myself, my body parts, my family, my home, my school, my exercise. Number 2, know about seasons. summer, rainy and winter season. Concept of colors, primary colors, secondary colors, rainbow colors. Transport, names of transport, land transport, air transport, water transport. Fruits, vegetables, flowers, trees, animals. Wild animals, domestic animals, birds, insects. Number 10. Environmental science. Awareness about good eating habits. Importance of greenery. Planting trees. Prevention of childhood accidents. Road safety and traffic rules. Discussion on good health and hygiene and self-grooming. Use of dustbins, basic manners like using, thank you, please, sorry, etc. Differentiation between living and non-living things. Bits of knowledge about universe and maths. General awareness chapter 1 contain myself, my body parts, my family, my home, my school, my exercise. In this page, myself. Kid will paste his own passport size colored photograph here. Then he will write, I am a boy or girl, my name is this, I am dash years old, I read in class, my father's name is this, my mother's name is this, I live in address, my best friend is this. So they will have awareness about himself or herself. Next chapter is my body parts. Read like this. This is my head and hair. This is my head and hair. This is my chest. This is my hand. This is my knee. This is my leg. This is my feet, etc. Likewise, the kids will have knowledge about his body parts, which they should know from the very beginning. Now, my family. The kids will paste one composite picture of his family members. Then he will write, we have dash members in our family. How many members? They are myself, right name, mother's name, father's name, brother's name, sister's name, my grandfather's name, grandmother's name, and I love my family. So they will have knowledge and interest about his or her family also. Next chapter, my home. Next topic is my home. The student will paste here one house building, which is or her home. Which is his or her home. Then he or she write, this is our house or home. Or our house is at, he will write or she will write here their address. It is a 1 or 2 story building. It has which color? It has dash color. It has dash bedroom, how many bedroom? It has kitchen, how many kitchen? How many bathroom? How many dining hall, etc. Drawing room, temple and balcony. So the kid will have knowledge, clear cut knowledge about his home, his or her home. Which one is which room is what for. He or she will have knowledge. Now my school, similarly, one picture of his or her school building will be pasted here. Then he or she will write the name of our school is this, the address of our school is this, our school is a dash story building, how many story building, it is a dash color, our school has 14 classes from nursery to 12, it has a big prayer hall, it has a big library and one laboratory, our school has a nice garden and one big playground. Mr. or Miss Dash is our principal. He or she write his the name of the principal. Mr. or Miss is our class teacher. He or she will write the name of the class teacher here. So they will have nice knowledge about his school and class picture. Now I am giving some knowledge about exercise which every person, every kids should have from the very beginning of their life, because exercise is very important thing for our life. I have given many pictures of exercise and with their names like skipping, sit up, walking, squat, jogging, swimming, treadmill, badminton. Now I have written two rhymes taking exercise, making interesting exercise to the kids. I am reading the rhyme number 1. Exercise is our life force. Every day do its course. It gives us energy source. Exercise is not helpful when little bit. Do it until body heats, sweats and heats, which will keep you and your body fit. Have balanced diet in low quantity. Every day take liquids and water plenty. Class exercise is your all beauty. Daily exercise is invaluable. Its benefits are indescribable. For all it is easily practicable. Next there is another rhyme on exercise. I am reading it. Exercise, exercise, do exercise. Exercises are of different types and size. Do exercise and run. It is very important, not a fun. Walking, skipping and sit up, body and mind's energy is geared up. On treadmill, keep your foot and heel. Remain fit, practice treadmill. Engage your muscle with dumbbell, your energy enhances with barbell. These are jogging, squatting. There are jogging, squatting and also playing, swimming. Some exercises are aerobic, whereas few are anaerobic. Next chapter is know about seasons. Throughout the year, there are 6 seasons actually, but we can definitely feel 3 seasons: summer, rainy season and winter. That's why I have described very briefly the 3 seasons: summer, rainy season and winter for the kids. In conversation pattern, I have written the season like teacher, where did you go in the summer holiday? Student, I went to Darjeeling. Teacher, how did you travel or get there? We get there by car or train, bus or plane, etc. Teacher, how long did you stay? Student, we stayed for a month or for 2 weeks or for 10 days, etc. Likewise. Similarly, I have written other seasons giving Batasya look, which is very interesting in the summer, in the hilly region. Darjeeling, tea garden, these are very important for summer season. Standing fan, ceiling fan, water air cooler, air conditioner, these items are used in the summer season. So after seeing these pictures and learning the words, the kids will have the knowledge which is summer and what things are used in the summer season. We use these things in the summer season. Next, rainy season. These views show rainy season, like umbrella in the rain. Kids are using umbrella because it is raining. Next, go to the winter season. Sweater, geyser, room heater, blanket. These items are used in the winter season. So, kids will know these items and they will know the winter season also. Next chapter know about seasons, know about colors, primary colors, secondary colors and rainbow colors. Colors, these are primary colors, these are secondary colors. Red, blue, green, red, blue, green, red, blue, green. For light are basic colors fixed. Cyan, yellow, magenta, cyan, yellow, magenta. For paint are basic color fixed. This is for light and this is for paint. Basic color. This is also basic color. This is for light and this is for paint. They cannot be created by blending or by making mixed. By blending or making mixed, these colors cannot be produced because these are primary colors. Next, secondary colors. Mixing various amounts, 3 primary colors can produce in any amount, any types of secondary colors. So, any type of secondary color can be produced by mixing 1 or 2 primary colors. See in the picture, yellow plus red produce orange. Blue mixed with yellow produce green. Red mixed with blue produce orange. So these are the secondary colors and these are the primary colors. So primary colors 1 or 2 can be mixed to produce secondary colors. Here are also shown similarly primary and secondary colors. Now we know rainbow, which can be seen in rainy season and when there is cloud in the sky, light raining and sun also in the sky. The color of rainbow the kids should know. In a formula, B G-R, B for violet, B for indigo, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, and red for R for red. So these letters are used in the formula to remember the colors in the rainbow. Next, I am going to the next chapter for the kids. The following are some land transport. Land for transport, the vehicles of different types have been given here with pictures and names like bus, car, trailer, bicycle, motorcycle, e-rickshaw, taxi, lorry, etc. I have written one rhyme for the little kids to remember the names of the vehicles in the land transport. Listen this. The road and rail transport are land transport. For most of the vehicle it is meant for bus, lorry, truck, trailer, auto, bike, cycle and tram, toto. These vehicles on road run fine. Trains run speedily on rail line. So this is very important and very interesting rhyme, taking the names of the vehicles in the land transport. Now air transport. The following are some air transport. Aeroplane, hot air balloon, helicopter, rocket for astronauts, parachutes, rocket for astronauts, another picture. So these are the items for air transport. Now I am telling about the water transport with some idea for the kids. are given pictures with names like cruise ship or passenger carrying ship, fishing boat, yacht, wooden boat, speedboat, goods carrying ship, container ship, aircraft carrier for navy, used in the navy. So these are the water transport items kids can know and they will have the knowledge about this. Now next chapter about different foods. Kids will be very eager to know the different types of foods with pictures, names, colorful food. Know about it. Mango, banana, apple, orange, pear, etc. are given in the picture. Like they will read like this. This is a mango. This is a banana. This is an apple. This is an orange. Pear, grapes, jackfruit, jamun, pineapple, green coconut, watermelon, etc. Now I have written one rhyme giving the names of fruits, which will be helpful to remember the names of the fruits for the kids. Now I am reading the rhymes. Fruits are very beneficial. To be healthy, it is essential. Mango, jackfruit, pineapple, watermelon, pear and apple. Orange, jamun, banana, nut, date, grapes, guava, coconut. These foods are very healthy for our body and mind, also healthy. So this is an interesting rhyme to remember the names of the foods. Next chapter, know about different vegetables. Vegetables chapter, in this chapter also I have given many pictures with names below. Potato, brinjal, onion, bitter gourd, pumpkin, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, beet, petal, lady's finger, spinach, capsicum, ginger, green chili, garlic, etc. Now, one rhyme I have written to remember the names of the vegetables also, which will be helpful for the kids to remember the names of the vegetables. I am reading the rhyme. Vegetables rhyme. Different types of vegetables are kept on the kitchen table. Potato, onion, carrot, beet. To cut this mother will see. Peanuts, cauliflower, cabbage. For us helpful as rugged. Brinjal, pumpkin, petal, gourd, and not bitter as bitter gourd. Lady's finger, lettuce, tomato are very good for health as sweet potato. Ginger, chili, garlic, beet, radish, mushroom may not need heat. Cucumber, capsicum, beans, eat vegetable by any means. So kids will interestingly learn the names of the vegetables with this rhyme, and they will have one important lesson that is, it is essential to eat also vegetable. Vegetable eating is very important for our health. Next chapter is define flowers. Flowers are here shown here. They will read like this. This is a rose, this is a sunflower, this is a lotus, this is hibiscus, tagore, lily, dahlia, sivli, belly, tulip, daisy, gerbera, etc. So, names of the flowers and with pictures. The kids will be familiar with the flowers. Now, different types of trees. The kids should know the names and what names of the trees around us. Where we are living, residing, there are so many trees. The kids should know their names. So I have given important trees with picture and names like mango tree, drumstick, jackfruit tree, jamun tree, coconut tree, date tree, peepal tree, banyan tree, etc. So the trees around us with names are given in this book, which will be helpful for the kids. Now next chapter is different types of animals around us, like wild animals, domestic animals, birds and insects. This is a lion, this is a leopard, tiger, hippopotamus, deer, giraffe, elephant, cheetah, chimpanzee, zebra, monkey, rhino. These are the wild animals. The kids will easily learn and recognize from these pictures. Now, domestic animals. This is a cow, hen, buffalo, duck, dog, cat, goat, rabbit, sheep, donkey, horse, yak, etc. So from this picture, the kids will recognize or will be familiar with the domestic animals also. Next chapter is common birds around us. This is a parrot, peacock, crow, eagle, sparrow, bat, owl, pigeon, goose, woodpecker, kingfisher, crane, weaver bird, vulture, salik bird, macaw. So these are the very common birds. The kids will be familiar and recognize which bird is what and what is the name of each bird. Next chapter is insect. Insects are very common in our residence, around our residence, so they should know the insect name. This is a fly, this is a cockroach, mosquito, bee, wasp, butterfly, grasshopper, bug, caterpillar, lizard, dragonfly, centipede, millipede, gnat, ant, beetle, etc. These are the names and pictures of the common insects the kids should know. Next chapter is environmental science. In this chapter include awareness about good eating habits, importance of greenery, planting trees, prevention of childhood accidents, road safety and traffic rules, discussion on good health and hygiene and self-grooming, use of dustbins, basic manners like using thank you, please, sorry, etc. Differentiation between living and non-living things, based on knowledge about universe and maths. Now come to this chapter, good eating habits for the kids, for us also, because good nutrition helps your body for clever brain, good mood, fight diseases, energy, happy tummy, healthy body, etc. So we should eat good food, that is balanced food or important food. Eat daily, we should eat, the kids should eat daily bread and cereals, fruits, vegetables, dairy, meat, chicken, fish, eggs, water and liquids. They have to take it on daily basis. Wash your hands before each meal. This is very important. Otherwise, there few diseases may occur in the abdomen also. Brush your teeth after each meal. Brush your teeth after each meal. Say no to junk foods like cold drinks, ice cream, sweets, chips and others. These types of food are not good for our health. So say no to these junk foods. Now the importance of trees. What are the importance? Trees are very, very essential for our life. See here this picture. Save our earth, plant a tree. Planting tree is very important. Plant a tree. These trees cool our house. Trees, what help come from trees? Trees cool our house, provide medicine, provide food, remove carbon dioxide, reduce erosion, prevents flooding and oxygen. These are the helpful points which are coming from the trees. So, planting is very, very important. Greenery is necessary. Planting a tree is very, very important. It gives green scenery. So, greenery is necessary. Prevention of childhood accident. Being a doctor, I have included this chapter for the kids. In most houses, the kids occur accident, different types of accident, and the kids can then the doctor can be called or admitted in the hospital. Life can be very dangerous. So, if the kids can know the childhood accidents and how to prevent them, how to save themselves from this type of accidents, it will be very helpful for the parents and the kids. So, I have included this chapter for the little kids. See this chapter, this picture. I should not go near fire or touch hot things. When little kids are learning, I should not touch fire, should not go near fire. So accident will not be there. Kid is learning to prevent this accident. Likewise, touching electric wire, cable can be a great mistake. So kids should not touch the electric wire. Do not think to go near sharp objects. Sharp objects can cause injury in the body. So kids should not go near the sharp objects. The parents should be careful to keep the sharp object in a safe place. Do not touch medicine or small objects until given by your elders. When parents or elders are not giving the medicine or smaller objects, which can be poisonous. So, kids are being saved when these are not given to them. I will not put any small objects and dirty things in my mouth, ear and nose. When one kid is knowing that small objects can cause accident in the ear, nose or mouth, they will not put the small objects in their nose, mouth or eyes. So, these are very important. I will not go near pond or swimming pool until I learn swimming. Until one kid is learning how to swim, until they are learning how to swim, they can be drowned in the deep water and death may occur. So, kids should not go near pond, near lake, swimming pool, etc. Always wear helmet while riding. Be careful while riding. If the rider do not wear helmet, when he fall from the bike, etc., head injury may occur, endangering his or her life. Death may also occur. So, helmet wearing is a must when riding a two-wheeler. Is a must. So, kids will learn these things from their very early life. Do not go near roads or try to cross road alone. The kids should not go near road or should not try to cross the road alone. Always accompany one elder person to avoid accidents. So these are the very important points to prevent childhood accidents, which I have included in these books. Next, road safety. There are some signal, red symbol, look and then cross, etc. Always stop, then look, both ways and cross the road when it is. Never cross in hurry. Don't hurry to cross the road. Road safety, see this picture. Always use zebra crossing in traffic signals to cross the road. In traffic signals, zebra crossing are given on the road. Always use the zebra crossing to avoid accident. Road safety, red stop, yellow wait and green for to go. To go. Green to go. Allowed to go. So red, yellow, green. Stop, wait and go. This should be known by the little kids from their early life to prevent road accidents. Next, personal hygiene. This is another chapter. Personal hygiene, regarding personal hygiene, the kids should have knowledge to maintain their personal hygiene. Comb your hair every day. Use shampoo frequently. Never sharp your comb. So comb your hair every day. Use shampoo frequently. Never share your comb. Your comb should be used by yourself, not by others. So don't share your comb, because diseases may be spread from one person to another person through the comb also. Now brush your teeth every morning and before go to bed and after each meal. Brush your teeth every morning and before go to bed and after each meal, to keep your oral hygiene very nice. Bath every day with soap. Use shampoo often to clean your hair. The kids and everybody should take bath every day. Should use soap and shampoo. Cut your fingernails and toenails after regular intervals or when it grows bigger. At regular intervals, kids, even every person should guard their finger and toenails. Use of dustbin. The kids should know from their very early life use of dustbin, because garbages are scattered here and there by some bad persons, which is not wanted. If the kids have knowledge about this, they will learn to use the dustbin and they will throw the garbages in the dustbin. This is very important, very good practice. On the dustbin, somewhere it is written, use me. Use dustbin to keep your surrounding clean. If you use dustbin, surroundings will remain clean. Bits of pencil, bits of paper, bits of any waste, throw in my deep heart, which is the best. It is a small rhyme. I have given. Bits of pencil, bits of paper, bits of any waste, throw in my deep heart, which is the best. So it is dustbin, the rhyme taking the dustbin also. Use of dustbin, don't throw garbages here and there. Always keep inside media. Another rhyming sentence I have given, taking the dustbin. Don't throw garbages here and there. Always keep inside media. Now, from the very early life, the kids should know some basic manners to communicate other persons. Like, I have given some example. Scene 2, let's go to park. Sudesh, sorry, Sintu, I can't go as I have fever. Sintu is telling, let's go to park. But Sudesh cannot go. That's why, with good manner, he is telling, sorry. Likewise, thank you, uses of thank you, uses of please, uses of welcome, etc. are shown here. The kids will learn these good basic manners. Next chapter is living and non-living things, which is living and which is non-living. These pictures are living and these pictures are non-living. The difference is given. It can breathe, it cannot breathe. It can grow, it cannot grow. It can eat, it cannot eat. It can reproduce, it cannot reproduce. It can feel pain, it cannot feel pain. It can move, it cannot move. Now, the last chapter is a big chapter, but it is shown in picture only for the kids. This is our universe. It consists of galaxy and stars. This is our universe. It consists of galaxy and stars. This is our Milky Galaxy. This is our Milky Galaxy. And our solar system is here at the edge. This is the solar system. Solar system is clearly shown here in space, our solar system. This is the sun. The planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. So, this is the solar system. Planets are moving around the sun. Sun is big. Knowledge about universe and world. Our solar system consists of sun in the center. And Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto revolving around the sun. The sun is the star of our solar system. You can remember the planets as given below. My very educated mother just served us nice pieces. My very educated mother just served us 9 pieces. From this sentence you can remember the names of the planets. My for Mercury, very for Venus, education, educated. For Earth, mothers. For Mars, just for Jupiter. Shark for Saturn, As for Uranus, 9 for Neptune and pieces for Pluto. So, from this sentence, kids can remember the names of 9 planets easily. Now, knowledge about universe and what is being continued. This is our Earth, which consists of seas, oceans, land, rivers, trees, animals and humans. This is our planet Earth. And this planet Earth is consists of seas, oceans, land, river, trees, animals and humans. This is the picture. All the planets have their own natural satellite, like our Earth and Moon, which revolves around the Earth. Each planet has satellite. The Earth is our planet, and Earth has our satellite Moon. It is shown. This is the world map. Kids have little bit of knowledge about the world map, which country is where is ocean, where is sea, etc. Names of 7 continents in the world: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Europe, Antarctica. These are the 7 continents in the world. Maps of oceans: Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, ocean around Antarctic. So, these are the names of oceans. Now, world map, colored picture. This one map is having, this is our India, and these colors, different colors are showing the different countries, and the blue color is showing the oceans. Here is India, our nation on the earth. This is yellow color is our India in the world on the earth. New Delhi is the capital of India. India is given shown here in larger picture. This is New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. India has 29 states and 7 union territories. India has 29 states and 7 union territories. This is our state, West Bengal. In India, the situation of West Bengal is here. Here is West Bengal. In this page, West Bengal is shown in larger picture. Map of West Bengal, Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Here is Kolkata. And map of Delhi, you guys have shown the capital of India. So this is the book, General Awareness, having profound knowledge for the little kids. Thank you.